Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. On a very special edition, we have some user questions on a couple of our YouTube videos. Question number one is, how do I find the appropriate firmness in a showroom setting? Well, that's a great question. Obviously, when you walk into a showroom, there's typically 30 or more beds to choose from, and it's kind of an overwhelming feeling. Where do I start? How do I get in that journey to find the best mattress for my bedroom? So, rule number one, which is kind of a weird one, and sometimes you don't want to do this, but I always recommend bringing your pillow. Now, granted, bringing your pillow might be a little gross, so maybe you just ask if you can borrow a pillow that's similar to yours in the showroom. And then, of course, you need to sleep in the position that you sleep at home. So if you sleep on your side, sleep on your side. If you sleep on your back, rest on your back when you're testing these mattresses. Ultimately, the question of finding the appropriate firmness, everybody's different. Everybody has different body types. So it's going to be a different journey for everybody. So rule number one I always say is at least get a pillow and always lay in the position that you're sleeping at home. The second question was, what is the consumer had a problem, has back problems. They want to know what's the best Tempur-Pedic to lay on, and they're a side sleeper. That's another great question. Again, I don't know the customer's body type and stuff like that, or if they're sleeping with a partner, sizes, etc. But same thing. I want you to grab your pillow and I want you to rest in the appropriate position that you sleep in at home. Typically, side sleepers like something soft, but like I said, everybody's different. So if you're a side sleeper, lay on your side, find some soft mattresses and work your way down. That's the best way you can find. I would recommend ultimately any of the Luxe products from Tempur-Pedic or some of the Pro Adapt products from Tempur-Pedic, and typically a hybrid, because you're getting the best of both worlds with that memory foam on top and the inner spring on bottom. So please continue to bring me those questions and I would be more than happy to answer them. That was Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. See you guys.